You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly with some detail. I want to look at how it's pronounced in English, how you say it, the name of this city of the Khmer Empire. If you want to learn more names from Cambodia, you've found the right channel. Stay tuned, I've got more for you. So, locally in Cambodia, it's pronounced Angkor. Angkor. The full name is actually Angkor Wat. Angkor. Angkor. Okay. Therefore, in English, it's simply pronounced similarly as Angkor. Okay. It's actually very easy to pronounce in English and make it sound like Khmer, because it's essentially Angkor. So for once, it's not too hard. Angkor. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.